Iceland. This Nordic island nation, perched at the edge of the Arctic Circle, is a place of dramatic contrasts. Imagine towering glaciers and active volcanoes, thundering waterfalls and serene lakes, vast lava fields and lush green meadows. It's a land where fire and ice coexist, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and hauntingly beautiful. Feel the spray of a geyser erupting skyward. Hike across a glacier, its blue ice shimmering under the midnight sun. Descend into a lava tube, formed by molten rock centuries ago, and marvel at the ethereal beauty of the northern lights dancing across the night sky. The Icelandic people are known for their warmth, their humor, and their love of storytelling. Whether you're soaking in a geothermal pool, enjoying a meal of fresh seafood, or simply chatting with a local, you'll experience the unique charm and hospitality that Iceland has to offer. So, are you ready to answer the call of the wild? Then pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's explore the wonders of Iceland together. 10 days in Iceland might seem like a fleeting moment in this land of endless wonders. But fear not, intrepid traveler, for we've crafted an itinerary that will allow you to experience the very best of what Iceland has to offer. From the iconic Golden Circle to the rugged beauty of the Westfjords, from glacier hikes to whale-watching tours, this adventure is sure to leave you breathless. Our journey begins in Reykjavik, Iceland's vibrant capital city. We'll spend a couple of days here, soaking up the city's unique culture, exploring its colorful streets, and indulging in its culinary delights. From Reykjavik, we'll embark on a road trip around the island, following the legendary Ring Road, which circles the entire country. We'll witness the raw power of nature at Thingvellir National Park, where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates meet. We'll be mesmerized by the thunderous Gullfoss waterfall and the Strokur geyser erupting faithfully every few minutes. And throughout our adventure, we'll keep our eyes peeled for the elusive northern lights, hoping to witness their magical dance across the Icelandic sky. Our Icelandic adventure begins in Reykjavik, a city that effortlessly blends urban chic with a touch of small-town charm. Spend your first day exploring the city center, admiring the colorful buildings and soaking up the lively atmosphere. Visit the iconic Hallgrímskirkja Church, whose tower offers panoramic views of the city. Wander through the charming streets of the Old Town, browsing through quirky shops and art galleries. On day 2, embark on a journey to the legendary Golden Circle, a route encompassing 3 of Iceland's most iconic natural wonders. First, marvel at the geological wonder that is Thingvellir National Park. Next, prepare to be awestruck by the thundering Gullfoss waterfall, one of Iceland's most impressive waterfalls. Finally, witness the Strokur geyser erupt every few minutes, shooting a plume of hot water high into the air. After a day filled with natural wonders, retreat to the comfort of your Reykjavik accommodation. On day 4, we hit the road, venturing southeast along the Ring Road towards Iceland's dramatic south coast. Prepare to be captivated by a landscape of cascading waterfalls, black sand beaches, and towering glaciers. Our first stop is the majestic Seljalandsfoss waterfall, unique for the pathway that allows you to walk behind the cascading water. Next, we'll visit the powerful Skogafoss waterfall, where on sunny days, you might be lucky enough to spot a rainbow or two. As we continue our journey, we'll encounter the otherworldly beauty of Reynisfjara, a black sand beach renowned for its dramatic basalt columns and crashing waves. Day 5 brings us to the crown jewel of Iceland's south coast, the Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Here, massive chunks of ice break off from the glacier and drift serenely in the lagoon before making their way out to sea. For an even closer encounter, take a boat tour on the lagoon and marvel at the icebergs up close. On day 6, we'll delve into an ice cave beneath the Vatnajökull Glacier, the largest glacier in Europe. Today, we leave the well-trodden path and venture into the Westfjords, a region of breathtaking beauty and tranquility. The Westfjords are known for their dramatic fjords, towering cliffs, charming fishing villages, and abundant wildlife. Driving through this region is an adventure in itself, with winding roads that offer stunning views at every turn. Be sure to stop at the Dynjandi waterfall, often referred to as the Jewel of the Westfjords. Its unique tiered structure makes it a truly impressive sight. As we explore the West Fjords, we'll be treated to breathtaking views of the coastline, dotted with charming fishing villages. Consider taking a detour to Latrebjarg, the westernmost point of Iceland in Europe. Here, you can witness thousands of seabirds, including puffins, nesting on the cliffs during the summer months. The West Fjords offer a sense of remoteness and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere in Iceland. As our Icelandic adventure draws to a close, we make our way back to Reykjavik, where we'll spend our final 2 days soaking up the city's vibrant culture and reflecting on our incredible journey. Use this time to explore any museums or galleries that piqued your interest earlier in the trip. The National Museum of Iceland offers a fascinating insight into Icelandic history and culture. For a taste of Iceland's artistic side, visit the Reykjavik Art Museum, which showcases contemporary and modern Icelandic art. In the evenings, indulge in Reykjavik's thriving culinary scene. Sample fresh seafood at one of the many harborside restaurants, or savor a traditional Icelandic meal at a cozy cafe. Don't forget to try skyr, a delicious Icelandic yogurt, and kleinur, Icelandic twisted donuts. On your last day, take a leisurely stroll along Reykjavik's harbor, breathing in the fresh sea air and watching the boats bobbing gently in the water. As you bid farewell to the land of fire and ice, take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey you've just experienced. Packing for Iceland is like preparing for a fashion show hosted by Mother Nature herself. You never know what she's going to throw at you. One minute, it's sunshine and rainbows. The next, you're caught in a sudden hailstorm. But fear not, intrepid explorer, for we're here to equip you with the ultimate packing list to conquer Iceland's unpredictable elements. First and foremost, embrace the power of layers. Think of it as building a cozy nest for your body, ready to adapt to any weather conditions. Start with a base layer of thermal underwear. Trust us, you'll thank us later. Next, add a fleece or wool sweater for warmth, followed by a waterproof and windproof outer layer. Don't forget a warm hat, gloves, and a scarf to protect your extremities from the Icelandic chill. When it comes to footwear, sturdy hiking boots are your best friend. While our 10-day itinerary provides a fantastic framework for your Icelandic adventure, don't be afraid to embrace spontaneity and seek out those unique experiences that will make your trip truly unforgettable. Iceland is a land of endless possibilities, and there's something here to spark everyone's sense of adventure. For a truly awe-inspiring experience, embark on a whale-watching tour. Iceland's waters are teeming with these gentle giants, and there's nothing quite like witnessing them breaching the surface, their massive tails crashing back into the waves. Húsavík in North Iceland is considered the whale-watching capital of Iceland, but tours are available from various locations around the country. If you're visiting during the winter months, don't miss the opportunity to witness the ethereal beauty of the northern lights. These shimmering curtains of light dancing across the night sky are a truly magical sight. Now that you're packed and ready for adventure, let's talk logistics. Navigating Iceland is relatively straightforward, but a few insider tips will help ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. Renting a car is the best way to explore Iceland at your own pace and venture off the beaten path. However, be prepared for gravel roads, especially in more remote areas. It's also essential to choose a vehicle that suits your needs and the terrain you'll be covering. A 4x4 is recommended, especially if you plan on driving in the highlands or during the winter months. When it comes to accommodation, Iceland offers a wide range of options, from cozy guest houses to luxurious hotels. Booking in advance is highly recommended, especially during peak season. Consider staying in a traditional Icelandic guest house for a more authentic experience. These charming accommodations often offer breakfast and the opportunity to interact with local families. Icelandic cuisine might not be as world-renowned as its Italian or French counterparts, but don't let that fool you. This Nordic island nation boasts a culinary scene that's both unique and surprisingly diverse, with an emphasis on fresh, local ingredients. Prepare your taste buds for a feast of flavors, from hearty meat dishes to fresh seafood and surprisingly delicious hot dogs. One of the first things you'll notice about Icelandic cuisine is its focus on lamb. The country's sheep graze freely on volcanic hillsides, giving the meat a distinctively gamey flavor. Be sure to try a traditional Icelandic lamb soup, or kotsupa, a hearty and flavorful dish perfect for warming up on a chilly day. For seafood lovers, Iceland is a paradise. Head to the harbor in Reykjavik and indulge in a plate of freshly grilled fish, or treat yourself to a lobster feast. And there you have it, a glimpse into the magic that awaits you in Iceland. From the thundering waterfalls and majestic glaciers to the charming villages and vibrant cities, this Nordic island nation has a way of captivating your heart and leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Answer the call of adventure and embark on your own Icelandic saga. Pack your bags, grab your sense of wonder, and prepare to be amazed by the raw beauty and untamed spirit of this incredible country. Whether you choose to follow our 10-day itinerary or forge your own path, Iceland promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. So go ahead, book that flight, rent that car, and prepare to be enchanted by the land of fire and ice. Your Icelandic adventure awaits. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos.